achieve it.
The Joint Action Committee comprising Nehu, Nehu and Nehu NSA on Tuesday locked the room of Nehu's senior consultant Rohit Prasad, who is allegedly appointed illegally by Vice-Chancellor Prabha Shankar Shukla. After the persistence of the Joint Action Committee, Prasad handed over the key and they finally managed to lock his room, which is located at the Vice-Chancellor's office. Earlier, the JAC members had intensified its agitation against the Nehu Vice-Chancellor, with its non-cooperation movement starting with the non-participation in the 111th Academic Council meeting.
Where does it stay? Anybody has a bike? This is our university. We can't allow it to go to drain and somebody driving it to the drain. That is what we are going to fight for, and we'll make sure that from now on, starting from today, and we have started it many months ago, we will make sure that whoever sits in that chair, he functions his duty like he has been appointed for. If a Vice-Chancellor has been appointed for, he is supposed to discharge his duty as a Vice-Chancellor following Nehu Act, Statute, Ordinance, Rules and Regulations, and also abide by the UGC regulations that are present there.
The UDP on Monday made a